Radian is a constant angle. It does not depend upon radius of the circle. That's the question given here. Let us find out how we do this. Consider a circle. Okay. This is center of the circle O. This is A. This is B. I take radius of the circle be R. R. I will also take arc length AB is also equal to R. This is also R. Then this angle will become 1 radian. Let me extend AO to C here. In this, I have a full length 180 degrees is there, and I have the circumference arc length ABC. So here angle AOC is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. And arc ABC is equal to half of the circumference pi r. Since we are talking about the same circle, the angle is always proportional to arc length. So in the circle, angle proportional to arc length. That means angle AOB by and our angle AOC is equal to arc AB by arc ABC. This implies angle AOB is equal to 1 radian divided by angle AOC is 180 degrees is equal to this length is R, this arc is R, and this arc is pi r. So when r gets cancelled, I'll get 1 by pi. When you cross multiply, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. You can very clearly see that here, whatever may be the radius of the circle, the value of pi radians is equal to 180 degrees.